Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this right here. It is a bucket for cleaning system spin mop. So it is a mop. So let's go ahead and get right into this. I'm going to unbox it and then I'm going to show you how to use it. You have your little user manual right there on how to put it together and everything. This is actually really nice. I love the colors. This is the mop itself. And then you have the bar. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different mop heads. That is crazy. That's so awesome. It also has this little scrubbing. If you really want to scrub your tiles, you can actually use this right here, which is awesome. So let me start putting this together. So this is obviously your top handle. This is going to be the very last piece. So you're going to screw this and this together. This actually feels better than the ones that you can get from Home Depot, which is the one that I have right now. This feels like it's going to be way better. Then you do this. So then you grab this and you're going to screw this on here just like that. And as you can see, this does swivel. If you want to clean like your wall, different angles. And it clicks every time so it stays put, which is nice. So if you wanted to use this scrubber, you just push it in here and it's going to snap in just like that. And then you can actually scrub with that and then take it out. You just pull it just like that. To pull this off, all you do is step on this part right here and then pull up. You don't have to touch it, so you don't have to worry about that. So I'm just going to push it in. And then it has this hole you can see right there. In order to make it spin, make sure you put that yellow tab down. That completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.